Okay, welcome back to Tapasya YouTube channel. Okay, today our topic is salts. Okay, what is salt? Okay, salt is ionic compound. Ionic compound which is combine of acids and bases. Salt is the ionic compound which is formed by combination of acids and bases. Okay, salt. How salt is formed? When acid is reacts with base, which is gives rise to salts. Acid, as you know, HCl. Base, you know, NaOH. Okay, these two are combines. What it is giving? NaCl plus H2O. Okay, NaCl is what? Salt. Okay, salt is electrically neutral, okay, which is formed by ionic compound, combination of acids and bases, okay, which gives NaCl as electrically neutral. Where from we will get the salts? Okay, salts we are getting from the seawater. When we are getting from the seawater, which color it is, which is in brown color. Okay, why it is in brown color when we are getting from the seawater? Okay, because of it has some impurities. Some impurities are present. Okay, due to that, the salt we are getting from the seawater, that is in brown color. When the salt which is in brown color, we can call it as rock salt. The salt which is in brown color, okay, because of some impurities, that's why we can call that salt is called as rock salt. Okay, rock salt as the bed. Rock salts are in the bed formed by the dry up of the seas from bygone age. From the bygone age, from the bygone ages, the dry up of the seas, that is formed rock salt. The bed of the rock salt formed by dry up of the seas by the bygone age. Okay, salt commonly we are calling its formula NaCl. Okay, NaCl is common salt, we are calling it as, and also we are calling as table salt. Okay, so many salts are there, but in this very important or common is what? NaCl. Now here family of the salt. Here so many salts are there given: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, potassium chloride, okay, sodium carbonate, ammonium chloride. Here so many salts are there. Yes, among this we have to find out what is the family of the salt. Here you are seeing NaSO4, NaCl, NaNO3, Na2CO3. Okay, these are belonging to sodium family. Sodium family. Next, you are seeing KCl, NaCl. Okay, these are belonging to chlorine family. Okay, these are the some of the family of the salts. Okay, next pH of the salt. Okay, how earlier we knows the pH value 7 neutral, less than 7 acidic nature, more than 7 basic nature. Okay, that you have to apply to the salts also. Okay, there are salts, neutral salts, acidic salts and basic salts. Okay, how to verify whether it is acidic or basic or neutral? Now, salt of strong acid, salt of strong base. Acid, base is combining. Okay, both are in what? Strong. Strong. Acid, base. When strong acid is reacts with strong base. Okay, which is giving what? Okay, neutral with pH value 7. Neutral pH value 7. If salt of strong acid and salt of weak base, okay, these two are gives. Okay, in this acid is strong, yes, base is what? Weak. Okay, which indicates okay, salt of strong acid, salt of weak base, which gives which salt it is giving? Okay, acidic salt. Okay, acidic salt which pH is less than 7. Which pH is less than 7. Okay, next. Now, salt of strong base and salt of weak acid, okay, which gives what it is gives, which one is strong here? Okay, base is strong, okay, which gives basic salt, okay, which pH is greater than 7, which pH is greater than 7. Yes, look at here. When strong acid reacts with strong base, neutral. Okay, strong acid, weak base, acidic nature. Strong base, weak acid, that is basic nature, pH value 7, pH value less than 7, pH value more than 7. Exactly 7 neutral salt. Okay, below 7 acidic salt, is more than 7 basic salt. Okay, salt are having very importance in that. Okay, one of our legend Mahatma Gandhi, yes, he has taken Satyagraha, okay, which name is what? Dandi March. Okay, common salt, raw material for chemicals. Okay, raw material of salt, as you know, the salt is NaCl. Okay, NaCl is raw material to prepare another chemicals. Okay, it is the common salt NaCl, okay, which is useful to prepare another materials, another chemicals like sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, bleaching powder. Is to prepare all these four, we require the initial material is sodium chloride. Okay, that's why sodium chloride we are calling as raw material. Okay, first we have to prepare sodium hydroxide from common salt. Okay, common salt formula, as you know, NaCl. Yes, from NaCl what we want to prepare? NaOH. Okay, from sodium chloride we have to prepare sodium hydroxide. Now let us the process. Yes, we have to prepare NaOH by the sodium chloride. Hydroxide formed by NaCl. Okay, first we have to send electricity through aqueous solution of NaCl. Aqueous solution of NaCl is called as brine solution. Okay, brine solution means NaCl plus H2O. This we are calling as brine solution. First we have to send electricity through the aqueous solution of NaCl. That NaCl is decomposed and gives NaOH. Okay, this process we are calling as chlor-alkaline process. Chlor and alkaline process. Okay, this process is called chlor-alkali process. Okay, because of the product is coming for chlor for chlorine and alkali for NaOH. The products are coming for chlor for the chlorine, alkali for NaOH. Now, the chlorine is formed out as chlorine as the anode. Hydrogen gas comes out as the cathode, and NaOH is formed near to the cathode. Look at here, NaCl we can write Na plus Cl minus. Water we can write H plus OH minus. Now look at here, this Na reacts with OH, plus is reacts with minus. Hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Yes, chlorine gas formed at anode, hydrogen gas formed at cathode. NaOH, sodium hydroxide, is formed near the cathode. Yes, in this process what preparation has done here? Okay, sodium hydroxide is formed. Okay, sodium hydroxide is formed by the NaCl. NaCl with water we can call as brine solution. That brine solution decompose as NaOH. This process we are calling as chlor-alkali process. Yes, in this products are come chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. Yes, chlorine is evolved at anode. Yes, hydrogen gas is evolved and cathode. NaOH is formed near the cathode. In this process we prepared sodium hydroxide from the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed, is the raw material for preparation of NaOH.